In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine email and SMS marketing in Mailchimp. Using both email and SMS together is a powerful way to improve communication with your audience and increase engagement across multiple channels. Some people respond better to emails, while others are more likely to check text messages quickly. By combining both methods inside Mailchimp, you can create a more connected marketing experience that keeps your audience informed and engaged automatically. To begin, open your browser and head over to Mailchimp. Once you arrive on the homepage, sign into your account. If you are setting up a new account for the first time, follow the on-screen instructions to create your profile and enter your business information. Completing the setup properly helps Mailchimp tailor the platform to your marketing needs and audience structure. After logging in, you will land on the main dashboard. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Automations. This section is designed for building workflows that automatically send messages based on customer actions and behaviors. Inside the Automations area, select the option labeled Build from Scratch. This gives you complete flexibility to customize your workflow exactly the way you want, instead of relying on a pre-made template. Next, you'll be asked to create a name for your workflow. Choose something clear and descriptive so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you manage multiple campaigns. After naming the workflow, select the audience you want to target from the Audience drop-down menu. Now it is time to set the trigger that will start the automation. Click Choose a Trigger to open the available options.
Triggers are the actions that automatically launch your workflow. For this setup, select the option related to email signups, so that whenever a new subscriber joins your list, the workflow begins automatically. After choosing the trigger, save it to continue building the workflow.
The next step is adding your email action. Drag a Send Email step onto the workflow canvas. This allows new subscribers to receive an automated email immediately after signing up. Configure the email settings carefully by selecting the sender information, adding a strong subject line, and adjusting any timing or tracking preferences if needed. Once the setup is complete, customize the email content with your branding, images, and messaging so it aligns with your business style and goals. After the email step is ready, add the SMS portion of the workflow by dragging a Send SMS step onto the canvas after the email action. This creates a multi-channel experience where subscribers receive both an email and a text message. Inside the SMS editor, write a concise and engaging message with a clear call to action. Keep the wording direct and easy to understand. Once everything looks good, click Continue in the upper corner of the screen to activate the workflow and apply it to your account. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.